Today I'm making a fresh batch of pickled green chili as my previous batch has finished. It will be delicious to serve together with my upcoming video, chicken feet wonton mee. This recipe yields roughly about 350 grams of pickled green chili. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of green chili, washed, 300 grams of white vinegar, half tablespoon of salt, 80 grams of sugar, and 150 ml of water. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, prepare a hot boiling water. Put about 1.2 liters of water in a saucepan. Cover it. Switch on the heat to medium. Bring it to a rolling boil. This should take about 8 minutes. Next, prepare the chilies. Cut the chili in a slanting shape to get a nice large slices. Don't worry about the seed for now. Cut them all and place them in a large bowl. Fresh chili works best for this, as chili releases a lot of heat and it can transfer to your skin if hold it with bare hands. I recommend using some food-grade gloves to protect your hands while doing this. As for me, my skin is already seasoned, so it won't feel the heat later. Alright, all done. Then remove the seed. I am going to show two ways of doing this. First, toss the chili by hand. This agitates the chili seeds and detach them from the chili. Now, leave the sliced chili and place it into another basin. See, a lot of seeds has fallen into the bowl, so we can discard it. This step can be repeated a few times to remove most of the seed. The second method is to use the basket with some small holes, so that only chili seed can pass through, and place the basin underneath to collect the seed. Pour all the chili into a basket and stir the chilies a few times. The seed will detach themselves and fall through the holes like this. Alright, it's ready. Put all the chili in a heat-resistant bowl. Our water is boiling vigorously now. Switch off the heat. Bring the bowl of chili closer and pour all the hot boiling water into the chili. Let it soak in there for about 1 minute. Stirring to evenly distribute the heat. This softens the chili a little so it can easily absorb the brine later. I also found that doing this step make it crunchier and retain its vibrant color for a longer time. After 1 minute, prepare a heat-resistant colander with the basin underneath. Transfer the chili with a small strainer, spreading them evenly around the colander. Let it rest in the colander to drip off the excess water and cool completely. Set it aside. Then, make the brine for the chili. Add all the salt into the water, white vinegar, and sugar. Stir until all the ingredients has dissolved and are well combined. Use a silicone, porcelain, and glass utensil as the vinegar can react with metal surfaces. Alright, all done. See, sugar and salt has dissolved and the brine is quite clear now. Let's cook it. Pour all the brine into a non-stick ceramic saucepan. Switch on the heat to medium and bring it to boil. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes to come to a rolling boil. After 3 minutes, the brine comes to a rolling boil. There should be a very strong odor of vinegar being released. I recommend wearing a mask to protect yourself from inhaling too much of vinegar fume. Let it continue boiling until all the vinegar fume has escaped. This will take another 8 minutes or so. After 8 minutes, the brine has released most of its fume and the volume of water has reduced as well. Switch off the heat and pour it into a heat-resistant jar. Let it cool down completely. Alright, after 1.5 hours, the brine and chili have cooled down. Transfer the chili with a pair of tongs into a dry, clean, airtight glass jar until filled to the brim. When doing this, all the utensil, glass jar, the cover, and your hands must be dry. If any water or moisture is present, it will develop the mold on the surface of the brine later on. Then pour the brine until it completely covers the chili. Push down the chili until fully submerged. Then close the lid and store it in the fridge to mature. This takes about 24 hours. Alright, a day has passed. See, our pickled green chili has matured and looks very delicious. With a pair of dry and clean wooden chopsticks, remove some and place it on a serving saucer. And it's ready to be served. Let's try it. Wow, it is sour, spicy, and very crunchy. It's going to go so well with noodles and rich fatty food for sure. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!